slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of pictures in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel, and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial during this phase, starting this palette. This is the Box of Crayons palette. You can get this from the crayon case. This palette is really huge. I know this came out a while ago, but I'm just now getting into it. I haven't touched this until today. Haven't even put my finger in it. It was just sitting in my makeup drawer. The packaging is really pretty. I was really waiting for this to come out at the time, but anything with crayons, I just want to see something like crayons for the eye. And I heard that Crayola came out with their own makeup line too. But this, I just love this palette. All of the names, you have some funny names, like you have red, yellow, green, violet, baby blue, which is real crayon names. And the colors are really pretty. I would like to see another one of these palettes come out with some more foiled shadows like these. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. This is gold. This is baby blue. This is yellow. And this is red. It's really good. You could either wet your brush or you could either use your fingers, and I did both. I also really like that they have a huge mirror. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking to y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all go ahead right into the video. So let's get right into the video. Yeah, so I already did my foundation. Today I used the same foundation I've been using, the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in 360. And so the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, I got this in the color 24 Golden. I used it for my concealer, and I used the NYX Stay Matte Foundation in the color Deep Dark. A lot of the time I use foundation for my whole face, but this is the foundation and concealer in one. Clinique is a good brand. It's more skincare stuff, so, and this is real for coverage. The foundation that I use today is full coverage. So now I'm going to finish. Everything on my face right now is cream contour and foundation. So I haven't put no powder on my face yet. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the color 35 Deep. Since I don't set my face anymore, I like to pat it into my skin now. So I'm going to do a in-depth contour and highlight video for you guys, because a lot of people they want to know how to do that. I like to do my face off and on camera. A lot of times I change it up because, I mean, if I don't have any new foundations, I'm not going to keep showing y'all the same steps, because that gets boring if y'all see me do the same steps. And I have different foundations, but I haven't really gotten a new foundation yet. I haven't seen nothing that speaks to me right now, but I will be getting some new foundation and stuff soon. Into my Black Radiance Medium to Dark palette. I'm going to highlighter. I'm going to be using my ColourPop Super Shock, and this is in the color K-Pop Glow Up. Not like it's super crazy. A lot of times I want my highlights to look like this. For the nose highlight, I like to spray my brush. Also for my eyebrows, I'm just spraying it with any regular spray. It's not like a crazy highlight, it's very subtle. Oh yeah, blush. I'm going to use my favorite two colors in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to be using this Box of Crayons palette. So this came out a little while back. I just haven't used it. It's very pretty. You know, I've always wanted a palette like this with a box of crayons. And I'm finna show y'all some swatches real quick. So y'all already know I'm finna go into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use this in the color tan. Dip a little bit of it on my eye. You don't need a lot because a little goes a long way. If y'all don't know why I like using that so much, it's because it dries really quickly. Like as soon as you put it on, you have to move quick. And a lot of times when you get eyeshadow and you're trying to do a colorful look, LA girls, if you want something really affordable, I just like this one because it dries quickly. LA girls, it take a while to dry. But Tarte Shape Tape, it's full coverage too. Like if you have a dark ring around your eyes and stuff like that, that's why I really like using it. So I don't know which route I want to go into today. I don't know what colors I'm gonna put together. Like if it's gonna come from the noggin like I usually do. So I never really have how I want to do my looks out. I just do it. I'm not afraid to step out my box when it comes to color. So if you are, my apologies. I'm gonna start doing something that a lot of us could wear, like not so colorful. I like the mirror on here too. The mirror is super big. Since I got on this today, I'm gonna stay in the neutral section, but I will bring this palette back out and do some colorful colors for y'all. So what I like to do is start with the flexible blending brush, one that's not really hard, it's really smooth. And I'm gonna take this color tan right here, and excuse my fingernails right now, I just haven't been in the mood to go get them done, but I'm gonna get my nails done soon because they look horrible. So I take this right up under the brow bone highlight and I blend it into the brow bone highlight, and this is our transition color. I see some fallout, but it's not something that's crazy. It's just a little bit, not even really a little bit. So I really like that, because I get a lot of palettes that has a lot of fallout, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but I say that the more fallout, the more pigmentation of the eyeshadow. Now we're going into brown. I think we're just going to do like a halo effect today. So what I'm going to do is I use a flat top brush like this, and I like to spray it. I like it so far. I'm going to work around the creases again. It's going to blend it into the brown. Now I'm going to try out my finger. That's what it looks like on my finger. I'm going to see if it brightened it up with that white. Put a little bit of that white in it. Run into a regular eyeliner by Ruby Kisses. You can get that at the beauty supply store. I'm going to this again where I use the first white to put in with the silver. I'm going to take this on my inner tear duct, and I didn't spray. I want to see what it looks like without me spraying first. See if I need to spray. I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'm also going to my waterline. Get done with that. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so now I have done everything with my eyes and my face, and now I just have to put lipstick on. Lashes I got, these are Ardell, the natural lashes, and I also put the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on. Also for my waterline, I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put on my Glimmer Stick from Avon, and this is like a lip liner. I think this is a really dark purple. My NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Lace Detail. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And before you guys leave, can you please like and subscribe to my channel? I like this palette. I do like this palette. I ain't find nothing wrong with the palette. My eye look came out amazing today. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.